Before the subscribers, before the views, every YouTuber made a choice to begin. Not because they were ready, but because the dream was bigger than the doubt. That first step, it's the hardest and the most important. I get it. Starting a YouTube channel can feel intimidating, especially when you work so hard to create your videos and then nobody watches. But the truth is, you don't need an audience to start. You need to start to build an audience. And the longer you wait, the more you miss out. So let's flip that mindset, and I'll show you why starting now is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'm going to share 10 powerful reasons why you should start your YouTube channel right now, even if nobody's watching, because the benefits go far beyond views, and I promise, reason number 10 will make all the effort worthwhile. You might just change someone's life, including your own. The 10 best reasons to start a YouTube channel, even if nobody watches. Reason number 1, build confidence and overcome fear. One of the biggest transformations you'll experience is your confidence. Filming yourself, hearing your voice, putting yourself out there. It's scary at first, but every time you hit record, you'll get better. Your confidence will grow with every video, and that confidence doesn't just help on YouTube. It carries over to job interviews, public speaking, social interactions, and more. YouTube forces you to step out of your comfort zone, and that's where real growth happens. And I know this firsthand. When I started this journey, I struggled with seeing myself on camera. I did more retakes than I'd care to admit. I didn't love what I saw, and it was uncomfortable. But something unexpected happened. I got used to it. And over time, I started to appreciate the person I saw. Not just how I looked, but who I was becoming. Learning to accept and even appreciate myself has been an unexpected bonus of this journey. And that's something I want for you, too. Reason number 2. Learn valuable skills. Running a YouTube channel teaches you highly valuable skills. Even if you never get millions of views, you'll gain skills that are valuable in today's digital world. Video editing, storytelling, marketing and SEO, public speaking, graphic design, personal branding. The list goes on and on. Even if YouTube isn't your end goal, these skills can help you in your career, business, personal branding, or future opportunities you haven't even thought about yet. It's like a free masterclass in creativity. Reason number 3, a creative outlet and fun. Sometimes we get so caught up in what we should be doing that we forget to have fun. YouTube can be that creative escape, an outlet where you can share your passions, explore new ideas, and express yourself freely. Unlike work or other obligations, there are no strict rules here. You can create for the joy of it, whether it's filming a vlog, sharing knowledge, or experimenting with a new skill. The process itself is rewarding. You get to experiment, push boundaries, and build something you're proud of. And even if nobody watches, the experience of making something, of turning an idea into reality, is fulfilling in itself. That alone is worth it. Reason number 4, document your journey and see growth. Think of YouTube as a time capsule. Years from now, you'll be able to look back and see not just how much you've grown as a creator, but how much you've grown as a person. It's a visual record of your progress, your evolving skills, and even your changing perspectives. Your first videos might feel awkward, but that's part of the journey. Every great creator had to start somewhere. What matters most isn't perfection, it's persistence. And with every video you create, you'll see improvement, not just in how you present yourself, but in how you think, communicate, and connect with your audience. One day you'll rewatch your early content and realize just how far you've come. And that feeling, that's incredibly rewarding. Reason number 5, freedom to experiment and improve. When you're just starting, you have an advantage. Nobody's watching. That means total freedom to experiment, make mistakes, and improve without pressure. You don't have to worry about high expectations, judgment, or getting everything perfect. You get to test different formats, try new ideas, and discover what works best for you. Big YouTubers don't have that luxury. Once you have an audience, expectations are higher and every change is scrutinized. But right now, you have complete creative freedom. Use this time to explore, refine your skills, and most importantly, have fun with the process. The more you create, the faster you'll improve, and by the time people start finding your channel, you'll already have developed your unique style and voice. Reason number 6, there's a huge audience waiting. YouTube has over 2.5 billion users. That means there are people out there right now searching for exactly what you have to offer. Even if you start with 0, there are thousands, maybe even millions of viewers who would love your content. They just don't know you exist yet. Your job isn't to wait for the perfect moment. It's to start now, so when those people are looking for content like yours, they can actually find you. Every day you wait is a day someone misses out on your unique perspective, your message, and your creativity. Reason number 7, connect with like-minded people. YouTube isn't just about views, it's about connection. When you share your passions, you create an opportunity to attract people who genuinely relate to your interests, experiences, and perspective. Your content becomes a bridge, bringing together like-minded individuals who might never have connected otherwise. Even a small audience can turn into an amazing community of people who support, encourage, and inspire each other. Whether it's through comments, collaborations, or discussions, these connections can lead to friendships, new opportunities, and a sense of belonging. The relationships that you build can be far more rewarding than the number of views that you get. Reason number 8, share your unique perspective. No one else in the world has your exact experiences, insights, or way of explaining things. Your story, your voice, it could be exactly what someone needs to hear at the right moment in their life. Sometimes a message resonates not because it's new, but because of the way it's shared and who it comes from. The way you articulate an idea, the emotions you bring to it, and the personal perspective you add can turn familiar information into something meaningful and memorable. The internet is full of information, but people don't just connect with facts. They connect with people. Your perspective brings something fresh and unique to a topic, no matter how many times it's been discussed. The way you explain something, your choice of words, and even your tone can make all the difference in how someone understands and relates to it. Don't worry if the topic has been covered before. It hasn't been covered by you. Reason number 9, unlock future opportunities. You might not see it now, but starting a YouTube channel can open unexpected doors in ways you never imagined. Maybe you land a job, get a sponsorship, start a business, or even build a full-time income. But beyond that, you might develop connections with people who inspire and challenge you, discover new passions you hadn't considered, or even gain the confidence to pursue bigger goals. It all starts with that first video, putting yourself out there, showing up consistently, and allowing opportunities to find you. Reason number 10, make an impact. Even one viewer matters. If your video helps or inspires just one person, isn't it worth it? Imagine that one person, someone who needed to hear exactly what you had to say at just the right moment. Your words, your insights, your story could be the encouragement that keeps them going, gives them clarity, or even changes their life. We all start with 0 views, but every big creator had a first viewer, and that first viewer could be the start of something amazing. And it's not just about numbers, it's about real people. Each view represents someone who chose to listen to you, to engage with your content, to connect with your message. That is powerful. The impact you can have, even on a small scale, is more meaningful than any numbers on a screen. Here's the reality. A year from now, you'll either wish you had started today or you'll be grateful that you did.